The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at creating a YouTube brand account. A YouTube brand account is a YouTube channel that's linked to a brand account from the moment that it's created. And these are the type of YouTube products that you use when you have a Google account that already has a YouTube channel or more on it. So in this case, I'm signed into my Google account, and here is my primary YouTube channel. That's the one that's close linked to my Google account itself. And I have 2 brand accounts already. And let's say I want to create a fourth YouTube channel, which will be a third YouTube brand account. Now, the page I'm on is www.youtube.com/channel_switcher, but it'll actually default to /account. So don't worry, I'll give you the link for this particular page. You can actually get to it from your settings menu. That is settings here on the left hand side, which is in the drop down menu here. But for now, let's start from this position here. So click on create a channel, select the name. Let's select something like and the handle that is being selected or being auto-selected for me is shown below. Now I can change that to whatever I want, but I quite like that particular handle that YouTube has chosen for me. So I'm going to keep that, and I'm going to go ahead and click on create channel. And there you are. I've actually now created a YouTube channel with an attached brand account. Very important, I think, at this point to point out that one of the most important pieces of data about a YouTube channel, or a YouTube brand account for that matter, is its channel URL. So that's this unmemorable URL that begins with UC. So make a note of that particular one. You can also find it under the More section, where if you click on Share Channel and then copy channel ID. There we are. So that is how you create a YouTube brand account on a Google account that already has a YouTube channel. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.